I have my 3 3/4 blade, and I'm going to put it on my clipper. I'm going to make sure my clipper is turned on before I put the clipper on, before I put the blade on. If it's not turned on, you're in jeopardy of breaking the tongue of the clipper off. So you want to make sure that that's on. We'll snap it in just like that, and we need a little bit more power to get through this gentleman's hair. So I want to go really slow, and watch what happens when I go really slow with the clipper. We're cutting as we're taking an imaginary line straight up in the air, and we're avoiding a line of demarcation or a very heavy weight line. So that's going to take us no time at all to blend out. So that's one of my biggest things cutting hair, and which has saved me a tremendous amount of time. I mean, literally, you can shave 15 minutes off your haircut by avoiding the blending step. So if you take a close look at my wrist, my wrist is absolutely still. I'm not moving it at all. I'm not worried about doing this to get the hair off the clipper or anything. Any sudden movement with that clipper is going to create some kind of weight line or line of demarcation. So his hair is a little heavier in the back. We're going to have a little bit of blending work to do there, not much. I want to give myself room. I don't want to go up so high where it's going to stand up. And my feet are in the same spot, so if you notice, the chair is just spinning. You don't even have to move. As I said before in the opening, this gentleman's hair goes straight forward. So we have to come slightly against the grain when we're cutting it, so it feeds into the blade properly. So if you notice, I'm cutting as we're pulling away also.